What is up, you good folks? 8 to 5 trader here. Give y'all my trades for the day. So today, um, plus 45.64 after commissions. I think it was like plus 30 something. I took another trade in my sim account to test some stuff out and I ended up losing out on that trade. But I'm gonna go over all that today. But today I was scared to trade today. So you guys know I had a pretty nasty loss yesterday after 3 days of green. And today I hesitated on everything, man. And so I really just missed everything. But I'm gonna start showing you guys my watch list. But this was my watch list today. I had Roku, I had Citigroup, and JPM, AMD, PAGS, WWR for low float, and RLMD. So I only made 2 trades today on my live account. I traded C and I traded PAGS. So PAGS, let's see, which one did I do first? Pretty sure it was C. So I want to say I took C a short here at 69.86. I took a picture of this. I want to show you guys this. I took a picture of this. Yeah, right here. This is C right here. I took a picture of this when it actually happened because I was upset that I missed it. So if you've been watching my past few videos, I have the strategy where when the price action goes up, and the moving averages are below VWAP, so it goes VWAP. So the price action is price action is up, VWAP, non-moving average 20, 50. What I've seen is stocks tend to do false breakouts, going to the upside, and they'll actually gravitate back towards those moving averages. And the same thing when the price action goes down and you got VWAP, non-moving average 20 and the 50, or whichever moving average you use, it pulls back up. And that's what happened here. So you had the pull down. Then right here you had the goal line is VWAP. So you had on the 5-minute you can really see it. You got VWAP, non-moving average 20 and the 50. And I just missed it. And my signal was normally on the 2-minute, but I was just shook right here. I saw this right here. I just didn't take it. I just didn't take it. And this candle just was explosive. So I tried to take it here, thinking it was gonna come back down. Got in too early, just bad trade. Then I got back in right here, and took a little short to the downside here. Took 3 steps off. I think I made like $40 on that trade. Tried to take it to the. Then I figured, okay, it didn't break VWAP. It's probably gonna go up because this is what it starts to. This is that pattern where it kind of curls up. And I went long and didn't feel like the price action wanted to go, stopped out, and that's when the price action finally started to take off. And I really missed out on that. And then later on, I took a trade in my sim account, went long. Stop losses below this moving average. I want to say moving average was on the 2-minute. Yes, it was at the break of the 2-minute, so not the 5-minute. And basically, that's what ended up happening with C. So, you know, I'll jump the gun on the short, but this is the big move that I really normally take, and I hate I missed out on that because that would have been even if I had took this and held, 50 shares from the rest of this, it still would have been a significant move from like 69. So I just missed out on it. I got shooken out, but Pags pushed down. I watched it sell off. It hurt my soul to watch the sell off. And then I got in. Okay. Yeah, so I got in on on the pullback to hold to go with the trend continuation. So it couldn't break VWAP, but I felt like the squeeze was coming, but I felt like we might still get a sell off here. And that's when on the 2-minute and on the 1-minute, the moving averages were lined up. It pulled back to the 20 and we started to roll over. Went short 200, covered in 2 steps. I waited 2 minutes. Then I started covering out in 2 steps. I wish I had taken this off a little bit lower at 38.49. That was literally $90 that I left on the table because I was trying to wait for the full 2-minute close. And price action squeezed up and I stopped out at break even. So lost out on that, left $90 on the table, but that definitely would have, made up probably almost all of that loss from yesterday. And it just I just got squeezed. I saw the price action right here. I saw this. People in the chat room were taking it here and covering at the VWAP. Then it dropped back down, and then they took it again. I watched it here go up, just didn't take it. Again, shaking out. Low float, trash. You could have got in here for a move up, got in here for a move up. 9 moving average gave you plenty of opportunity to get in and ride that pop. AMD just sold off from the open, just flat the whole day. AMD was a nice sell off, but some stocks, man, I just will not take for some reason. I just get chicken out. But this is like a perfect open range breakdown when you look at it from like the 9 moving average and the 20 are lined up perfectly when the 9 is below the 20 for that trend. It's perfect. And then you got the doji or the indecision candle, and then when it couldn't break a new low, that's when it let you know to go long. So there was a lot of opportunities, but I just didn't take them. I just got shook out too much. But hopefully today, tomorrow, I'm getting back in the groove. But God, I hate that stupid loss, man. That loss really messed me up. And it wouldn't have been as bad if I didn't take that SCS trade, because I'm fine with losing $60. I'm fine with losing 50, but when I lose like 70 on something that's stupid, I'm just like, oh, I shouldn't have took that trade. Hindsight is 2020, but yeah. But I'm about to actually jump in. Let's see here, my trading sim, and go over a few trades. Spend about an hour going over some old trades because I can actually go back. I think I can go back. Let me see. How far can I go back? I can go back 2 days. No, one day. So I can trade everything I traded yesterday. So this is tradingsim.com. I use it. I don't use it as much as I should. And that's what I was saying to somebody in the comments. I really need to use this. I have something that I can replay trades. Why the fuck am I not using this? But I got so much else going on. Work. I have another YouTube channel that I do motorcycle stuff on. So it's a lot. But maybe I'll do a video on this. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all want to see me do a video on Trade Sim, because you only get 7 days free and then you got to pay for it. But, I have a whole year. I got about 3 months left in this. So I guess I could do some demos on it if you guys want to see it. But this is what I use when I do use it to actually replay my trades. I think it's based off of one of those charting trade view or something. I want to say it's based off one of those. And from what I've heard, DOS is supposed to, this platform is based off of DOS. Yeah, powered by DOS Trader. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're supposed to be coming out with their own replay software. So at some point we'll be able to replay all of this as if we're trading live. So it's getting a lot easier or I guess the available software to do this stuff is getting more accessible. So there's no reason why we can't fast track our learning curve. So that's what I need to be doing, and see what happens. So see y'all in the next one.